Welcome and welcome to Julijetek tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to create AI videos for free using these tools I'm about to show you. Please watch this video to the end and take note of important steps on how to create videos on these AI tools. And don't skip so that you'll not come back and ask any question. Pay attention to details of this video. Alright, let's dive in. What you need to do, you will just head over to your Chrome and type DJing AI. As you can see in my search bar, you can type DJing AI free and you see the first link on top. And also please pay attention to this symbol so that you can see exact symbol and download it. The first link, you can click on it. All right, this is the interface of a DJing AI. This AI is free. First of all, let me run you through on some of the things we are going to talk about. The first thing, you will see a symbol here, this plus sign, and that's where you can click and generate your image. You can upload image from here and select it from gallery. Yes. Also, these are the templates in which you will see when you open the DJing AI. These are the templates. You can use it. Some of these templates are created by different creators and they are like, let me just show you one of them. You can see there is a like and there is a comment in which if you want to read, you can read. Please, as you are watching this video, please practice it because that is the only way you can improve in your creative journey. All right, if you click, there is a button here, all these buttons here. So this second one here is where we want to generate our video. Of course, you can still generate your video using this first one here. But you can still generate your video from there. It's just for you to upload your image and select it from your gallery, then you can upload. But we are going to use this second one, this one here. Yeah, this one. So let's tap on it. Good. It says, what would you like to create today? Now, before that, this DJing AI offers 300 credits. Now, let's check. This is where you can see your 300 credits when you open. After you might have signed up. You need to sign up. That's the first thing after you open to the link. Yes, this is my sign up. These are my accounts. Okay, when you open it, you can sign up first, then you can see the amount that this AI will give you to generate. Now look at it here. Yes, that is 280, but they will give you 300 credits. Yes, 300 credits. You will see 300 credits after you sign up to your account. Now, these 300 credits, each video that you make, it will consume 20 credits. So, because I already make one video from this site, that is why you see 280 from it. Yes. Then, I also observed something. I downloaded the app version of it, and I was trying to find this plus button where you can put in your prompt and upload your image. I was trying to find it. I couldn't find this box because when I downloaded the app version of it. So maybe you can try it on your end and see whether you can find this box. But if you don't find it, just head over to your browser and type DJing AI. So that is where it will work for you. And all these are the template. This one that you see down here, they are the templates. So you can press on it and you see those prompts coming out. All right, let's get started. We want to see how we can create image to video. and from text to video. Now let's see. Alright, I will be using my ChatGTP for this work, and you can also use any AI tools that is available for you to use or you know how to use. Alright, I type in this idea here for this ChatGTP. I said, look at what I said. Give me an aeroplane prompt, how it land and people are coming out. Just that. And then the AI gave me the prompt about an aeroplane. Look at it here. So if you read through, you can pause the video and read it through. We are not going to read it with you. Please pause the video and read it through and understand it so that you know what the DJing AI is going to bring for us. Okay, so let's copy it. We are about to copy this. Okay. Then we head over to DJing AI. So this is DJing AI, and we want to click this plus sign. We want to click this plus sign. We want to upload our image first. Now, since it's talking about plane, how the plane lands, I'm using the picture that is in line with my prompt. So I'm clicking on plane. I upload it. As you can see, it's uploading. Good. So if you observe, this is where this diamond shape or this star shape is where you can click for your generation. If you see, it has been enabled. Let me go back. If I remove this picture, this image that you're seeing here, if I remove it, you will see that generation button, it will disable. Now, do you see? It has been disabled. So let me add the picture back. Then you'll see how it will be enabled for you to upload. The reason why it's enabled is because that means you can just put in your picture and it will generate a video for you. The video might be only audio and image, but if you want it to turn to video, these are the things that you need to do. Now the generation button is on. Now we want to show you another features here. This one. So that is RM3. So if you click on it, you see many features coming out. Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. This one has audio. It is new and also is free. Now other one is Real Motion 3.1. It's still free. But if you check these two, you observe that there is no audio in it. Yes, there is no audio in it. So what does that mean? When you put in your image and you put in your prompt, it's only going to give you videos only. Yes, but you will not hear any sound. There will be no sound in that video. Now, but when you use these features, these two, it will give you appropriate sound for that video. So we are going to use the first one. You can try this one, but we are going to use this first one here. Okay, let's try it. So we click on it, and then you can click on these three dots here. You can click on it and see the duration of your video, 5 second, orientation and resolution. That's 480 megapixel. So we see that, and also click on this diamond shape here. This diamond shape, click on it, then you be able to see the end. This is what you see. Since you already upload your first image, if at all you don't upload your first image, you'll see that that place you write start image, and also this is end image. So but there is no need of you putting this end image. If you put your start image, that is okay. So now, as you can see, the generation button has enabled, and then this button here, this one here. If you click it, it's going to tell you how much your video will take, how much credit your video will take. Okay, let's put in our prompts in this section. Okay, just put in our prompt now. That's our prompt, and then we click on this, generate. All right, this is our video. Let's play our video. Okay, this is not very good. Let's generate again. Let us generate another one again. All right, our video is ready. All right, let's play this one and let's see what we have here. Very good. The reason why we didn't use this first one, it was because where these people are coming out, it's not an aeroplane. It seems they are coming out from a building. That is why we regenerate the same prompt and the same image, and it now give us this one. So this is a creation, and we put in our picture, and you can see that from this picture that we put, that is where our creation starts, our video starts from. So if you see, the plane is landing, because that's where you see how the plane is closer to the land and how it's to be land. Then it now show you another clip of how the people are coming out from the plane. So that is exactly the video that we want to generate. Yes, and then let's try it with how to generate a picture, how to upload a picture and use it for video. Now we want to click this. You can click on it. Yes, can click on it. And this is our image. This is where we can upload our image. If you upload it, you put in your prompt. If you put in your prompt, you can use your own voice for lip sync. You can use an effect, and you can use action motion for this picture to video creation. Now let's see, we want to put in our image. All right, we want to use this frog image here. Now do you see the type of image that we use? This app immediately change automatically to the type of screen that we're about to use. Now this image is 16 by 9. 16 by 9, that's YouTube screen. But if you check, the first one was 9 by 16. It will change based on the type of image that you put. Yes. So let's put in our prompt and regenerate. Now we head over to ChatGTP. Look at the idea that we just give ChatGTP. We said, okay, give me a short prompt for a green tree frog. A green tree frog. How facing the camera? Okay, that's a mistake. They are facing the camera. Good. The ChatGPT has generated a prompt, a short prompt for us, and this is it. We want to copy it and use it for our image creation. Okay, head over to the DGen AI, and then this is where we load our prompt. Yes, this is where we load our prompt. We paste it there. Okay, now you can read it prompt through and see what it will give you. So you can also make the frog to talk. If it is AI, portrait AI, you can make the person to talk. Or if it's the frog, you can also make the frog to talk by uploading your audio here or record your audio here. So everything is there for you to see, and it's very, very easy for you to use. But we are not going to upload any audio. You can also use song, any song that is suitable for your video that you are about to create. And of course, if you use what we mentioned before, those real motion AI, let me go back so you can see. Of course, if you use this, if you put it from the first one, you see audio, you see new, you see free. But when you use this, you put it here, when you use this two, when you use this two, there will be no sound. But because we put it for the first one, that is why there is sound in it. All right, let's go back to the image creation. So if you can see this 9 by 16, immediately we put in our image, you will see that it will change to 16 by 9. All right, that's our image. Okay, put in your prompts. Okay, then you can generate from here. Let's see what it will give us. Yes, our video is ready. So before we play the video that we just generate, talking about the sound aspect of it, if you use those features that I just showed you, there will be no sound. But since we use the first one that there is an audio, let's play it and hear the sound again. Very, very cool. The sound is very, very cool, and it's matched with what the video is showing, is displaying. So please always turn on the sound. It will give you a suitable sound for each scene. But if you have your own sound, you can off it. Okay, so let's play our first video. Please, if you stay up to this time, thank you very much for staying up to this time, and please don't forget to like our channel and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you AI tools like this that will help you to create your video for free. All right, let's play our video. Very good. Just like other AI tools using their image to create, so this one will also use your image and create a video for you. Yes, this is it. So you can try it on your end and see how it's going to work for you. And of course, our credit is going down. So each of the credits, since if they give you 300 credits, that means you can create 10 to 15 videos using these 300 credits in a day. So you can add your prompts, lip sync your audio, or you can record it from here so that you'll be able to get what you want. All right, that is for video creation, how you can use prompts to create your videos using DJing AI. For the benefit of those staying up till this time, there is a watermark down here from each of these videos. For those that stay up to the time, please, we record another video that we will show you how to remove this watermark. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We see you in our next class. Bye.